Hi guys, how you doing? I just wanted to do a quick video and just kind of share a little bit about some of the equipment that I use. I do have a DSLR and I never use it. I have a Canon 5 Ti. I've had that for a long time, and a bunch of different lenses that I never use it. I tend to use just my phone. I have a iPhone XS and I love it. I love using it, and I just add a couple little small things to it, and we're going to review some of those things today. One of the best pieces of equipment that I've ever added to the iPhone 10 is the Moment lens. I've had the wide lens, I've had the zoom lens. I didn't like the zoom lens very much. I did actually send it back. There was some artifact around it, and I was told that the reason being is that the iPhone 10 and its new sensors, they still haven't gotten the lens and the glass just right. What I like about the Moment lens, I mean, if you look online, you'll find a lot of reviews. Everybody loves them. They're great. They're heavy duty. They're a great piece of glass. They're not cheap. I mean, they're not cheap. They're about $100, but man, they're well worth it. Right now, I've got the wide on, and I'm going to show you what it looks like without the wide. So if you take it out, you probably got a lot of my ugly face right now. Makes a big difference having this wide lens. For doing videos, for doing photography, I just love this lens. I'll put it back and see what it looks like. It's probably a lot better, a lot wider field of view, and it's a great piece of equipment. The other thing I just recently purchased was the Shure MV88. It's a lightning jack microphone that goes on the iPhone. It's small, it's quick, it's easy. You plug it right in. No charging, no nothing, no bunch of wires. I like it. It's simple and it's real basic. It makes a big difference. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The other thing I just recently purchased is the Mi Photo backpack tripod. It's lightweight, compresses to about 12 inches. I think it weighs about 2.5 pounds. Don't quote me on that, but it's lightweight. It's not very expensive, and it's something I can stick right in my backpack, and it's just right for the iPhone. Something I've had for a long time is this Manfrotto, I think it's called the Mini Pixie tripod. I've used this all the time, actually worn out the Manfrotto name on it, but it's great. It's got a little turnaround. The only thing I don't like about it, it doesn't go on 90 degree, but I can move it around and try to get my shot stabilized and aligned. But it's a nice little tripod. I use this all the time. The best thing about it, I just close it up and I walk around with it, and gives me a nice handle for the camera. And final thing is you need something to hold the camera to the tripods, and I hate spring-loaded iPhone holders or any kind of smartphone holders. I hate those spring-loaded things. But up to now I've been using the ReadyCam, which is holding the phone right now. It's exactly the same as this one. This is called the Ulanzi, and it's actually a lot cheaper than ReadyCam. What's also good about it, it has a cold shoe on the top. Now, some people might use a Rode mic. You can put the Rode mic in there, plug it right into your phone. I don't use the Rode mic, obviously. I'm using my Shure MV88, but these are great. You put the phone in here, tightens it up real tight, and man, this thing won't go anywhere. This is the Ulanzi, which I think is almost half the cost of the ReadyCam, and the advantage of it, it has a cold shoe, so you can put a light on there, or you can put an external microphone. I hope that helps. Just giving you a little glimpse of what I use and the equipment that I have for my iPhone. I like it. It's compact. I'll take a picture of it here real soon, just how it's set up. I'm actually holding it right now, so I can't show you. So I have my Moment lens on the Moment case with the ReadyCam holder on my Manfrotto mini tripod with a Shure MV88 on here right now. It's a great little setup. It's perfect. It's convenient. I can stick it anywhere. Hope you like this video. I'm going to have links on the bottom of this video to all these different pieces of equipment that I use. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.